case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A Louisiana court case, Turner v. Southern Excavation, Inc., revolved around the deliberate, forcible trespass and destruction of private property. Southern Excavation, Inc. was accused by plaintiff Theresa M. Turner of intentionally encroaching upon her property, causing considerable damage, which resulted not just in property loss, but significant mental anguish and humiliation as well. In the October 1973 incident, the defendant allegedly trespassed onto Turner's property, removing trees, shrubs, topsoil, and a concrete slab, despite vehement objections from Turner and her relatives. The plaintiff's expert valued the replacement of the destroyed greenery at an estimated $8,900, a figure that was contested as an unrealistic measure of damages, given the difficulty in measuring the intrinsic worth of such assets and their connection to afflictions of mental anguish. Upon presenting her case, Turner appealed for increased compensation for her losses. Conversely, Southern Excavation, Inc. sought not only a reduction in property and mental damage compensation, but also for the dismissal of the survey's cost. The lower court rendered a ruling in Turner's favor, awarding a total of $5,075, apportioned as $1,500 for property damage, $3,500 for mental anguish and humiliation, and $75 for the survey. It was recognized that the aesthetic value of Turner's property had been significantly diminished due to Southern Excavation's actions. The case was appealed, with both sides contesting the original amounts. The upper court upheld the lower court's ruling, recognizing that under Louisiana state law, there's no set measure for damages in such intentional trespass and property destruction cases. To ensure justice, courts have the discretion to determine damages as enumerated by LSACC Art. 1934. Ultimately, the trial judge decided that the awarded $5,000 was appropriate, considering the property damage and mental distress inflicted on Turner. The $50 expert witness fees were also deemed reasonable, as was the $75 survey cost. Finally, all costs of the appeal were to be borne by the defendant, Southern Excavation, Inc., reasserting the court's commitment to uphold property rights and fair compensation for damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.